like to raise up your My Mini Baby Series 1 Cradle to become 1/12 scale, this is available on my website, which is available for free. You just download it on photo paper or cardstock, and I wanted to show you that if you combine the baby nursery and her bedroom in your Barbie house, that they can share a bedroom, and this would be an adorable item that you can put in the nursery. This cradle fits right on. It's made just the right size to just lock right on there, and just put a little fabric around the outside. This template is available for free on my website. Just go print it off and you will have an adorable little accessory to make your furniture more practical for many more uses than just what you can use it for by itself. Here's the template. When you download it, you'll have 2 cradle risers so that you can have it for 2 cradles, and I'm all about not wasting paper, so I gave you an extra one just to make sure everything works out okay. I'm going to show you how to cut it and how to assemble it, and my recommendation is to print it on photo paper or cardstock, something kind of thicker than printer paper. Now, to begin with, I would suggest printing it on printer paper just to make sure. I have size comparison, so you'll know that you printed it the correct size so that it will match up and fit on there the way it just snaps on. And you can use a penny or a dime and it will show you. And then once you've got your printer paper copy correct, go ahead and print it on something thicker like cardstock or photo paper. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cut this out and assemble it just to make sure you know. Of course, you'll cut around the outside and then you'll cut in right here. And those are the only 3 cuts, but you will want to cut, cut, and cut. And I'll go ahead and cut one out and show you. Folding it, gluing it, very simple. All of my designs are meant to not make you want to pull your hair out, not make you hate it, make you love it, enjoy it, and have the most fun. I would consider myself a professional template maker, so I look forward to providing you with many more templates to come. I have so many designs that are already complete. I can't wait to share them with you, but just for now, I'll go ahead and cut this out, and I'll get started showing you how to fold it and glue it. Okay, so I have this now cut out, and I wanted to show you that I did say cut here, and these are the only 3 cuts, but of course you will do it on the other side as well. And with all of my boxes, you'll want to cut just to the line and not any farther, because then you'll be cutting into the actual design of whatever template you're using. This one is not going to make as much difference as the other ones, so I don't really suggest that you really have to score anything with my designs. On any of mine, you're not going to see me using any fancy tools that you have to get on Amazon or anything like that. Try to make everything easy because I'd like to have people all over the world being able to do this, and not everyone has access and not everyone has money to purchase all the fun tools. So I try to make everything optional. So in most of my tutorials I will give you an example of maybe something you could buy for a couple of dollars, or a free way to do it as well. I try to be considerate of everyone and allow more people to have exactly what they need for their miniature creations. Okay, so we have everything folded. All the lines are folded. And basically, like I said, we're going to go for easy, easy, easy. So you just fold and roll, fold and roll, and then you are just going to glue it. So I will go ahead and show you. Let's see, the best way to probably start this off is just to glue this right here, and then maybe go back. I usually like to keep these to where they're more like a box, so I would say glue this as step 1, maybe glue this to here, and then glue this. I like having this just because it looks neater if you do it like that. So basically, simple box, but it's really going to make the biggest difference with your cradle. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it, and I'll be right back. As I was gluing this, I wanted to mention being able to put your hands in both sides and just kind of press as this is gluing. Go ahead and glue this first so that you can securely let this be, you know, very nice and tight, lined up, very secure, and then you can go ahead and fold up this side and glue this down right here. You can go ahead and apply glue all around here, and then hold this nice and tight for a few seconds until it is dry, and then on this side, if you would like to, you can add some layers of cardboard, just recycled shipping boxes or just anything you have that is firm enough, and then you can go ahead and fold this up and glue it. Now this is cardstock, and it's actually, I feel like it's a little bit more sturdy than photo paper. I love that. Now this is the photo paper one, and it's pretty good too. I really like it. Without anything in it, it's going to do a great job. Now if you're going to let little children play with it, they might be a little more rough. However, this is really, really sturdy. So what I was going to say about putting something around this, it's cute like this, but of course if you can add a little bit of fabric trim, something like that. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I believe this is also the stuff that you can buy where you just go up to the fabric counter and say I'd like a 1/4 of a yard, and they'll say it's $1, and you just go pay for it. So that's really cute. It does come in different colors. I found it in blue and pink, and I believe I have some purple. There's some purple right here. So I really love the purple. It's so cute. And anyway, I did find this as well, but I wasn't really as excited about how this was a double ruffle, but of course you should be able to find this too. It's pretty cute. But if you can find the part that just has a basic, you know, this is just gorgeous. Now you don't have to have anything on here, but it's really cute if you can find it. So that is the My Mini Baby Cradle Crib Riser. I hope you enjoy it. It is available for free. I do have some free templates, and I do have other templates that are just a few dollars. I try to be respectful of everyone, and I want to bring the most amount of joy for the least amount of money, and the quickest possible, and the most fun. So that's the combination of all the different things you're going to find on my channel. I hope you all have a great day, and like and subscribe. See you next time.